My name is Oleg Dou. I'm an artist, but sometimes some people calls me a photographer. It's not true. I'm an artist who uses photography as a medium for my works. I was born in Moscow, and I live all my life in Moscow. I think the first time I realized that I want to be an artist was around 6 or 7 years old. My mother used to be an artist, and she spent a lot of time with her friends, other artists at their studio, and me and my brother, we spent a lot of time with them. The earliest thing I remember is when I was 2 years old. I was shocked with electricity. The worker came to our house to repair some electricity things, and he left opened wires, and I played with them, and it was wrong decision. I spent a lot of time visiting different museums and galleries, and I was always interested in something really beautiful aesthetically and very sad at the same time, because sometimes it's a conflict, and I think it's interesting. I think the photography was something that opened me the new way and new possibilities. I've got first Photoshop when I was 14 or 13. It was version 4. At the beginning I just pushed all the buttons, and I saw and I was looking what will happen if I will push this and this and this. It was really magic. You can draw something with the brushes, different kind of brushes, mixing layers, moving layers. Wow, it was wow. I have a friend who's very pale, and she have old classical face, and I decided to make a present for her and to make a good portrait of her. And then I wanted to try to clean her face like in fashion magazines, how to remove spots from the face and so on. And I didn't know the techniques at all to make it right way, and I made it too much. And I saw the result was interesting, and I made it once again and once again on the same image, and it was just made by mistake. As a result, it was something like what I do now, and I decided to develop this and to see what will happen if I will try more. I wanted people to be a little bit shocked, and I make the skin lighter than it is, so to look the persons more like ill persons or dead persons maybe. And the result was that many people was frightened with the images. The beautiful face for my art is not the same as the beautiful face for my life, and I prefer to work with unusual faces. I use real world objects quite often, or textures, and combine them with the photography. It depends on what I'm planning to do. Sometimes I know definitely what I want, and sometimes I know just a little bit. I'm trying not to think about my future. The only thing I really want is to create, and I hope that what I will do will be interesting for the people and for me myself.